Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to talk about situation with Paysafe limited stock. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, press notification bell, and let's get started. Let's start what happens with Paysafe stock at the moment, and let's see the current situation. The price is 6.59 and it's crushed almost two times from $12 when I made video 3 weeks ago here over here, and it's crushed minus 48%. So, and I will show you two news about Paysafe stock limited. But the first thing that I want to say you, this is a pretty good chance to buy your Paysafe limited stock at cheapest price, and this stock is updated his all-time low in history, and here is a gap, and this gap could be filled, and there is another gap as well that I talked already. I want to remind that here is also a big gap, and I believe that this gap could be filled in a long term of period. Here is also another gap, and this gap I also trust it could be filled here. Here is another gap. So the all-time high, $235. Okay, what else? If you buy in current price at 6.59, and if the price will return to the all-time high, it will be already 3,330, so 3,300%. If the price will go to close this first gap, you will have around 1,000% of profit. It sounds also good. And if the price decide to fill this gap at $117, it will be 1,673%. It also sounds good, right? So in my opinion, here is a good accumulation, and this is your chance to buy your stock. Okay, so I recommend include this stock in your portfolio, one of your stocks, not all putting all your money into one stock. Now let's see the news. Paysafe holding shoppers prioritizing experiences and flexible secure payments. So they are prioritizing. Let's see. In London, November 18, 2025, shoppers are changing holiday traditions this festive season with a new focus on enjoying and getting meaningful experiences, according to global consumer research issued today by Paysafe, a leading payments platform. The Inside the Wallet Holidays Edition report also indicates that consumers gravitate towards merchants offering a flexible range of payments options, including digital wallets and robust transactional security. Surveying 8,500 consumers across the US, Brazil, the UK, Germany, Canada, Bulgaria, and Ecuador, Paysafe's latest research suggests strong demand for travel during the holidays. Shoppers are just sophisticated when it comes to their holiday purchases, with growing uh, appetite for omnichannel retail and social media shopping. Even their support for small and local businesses remains high. The experience economy takes center stage. Around half of consumers, 49%, prefer gifting an experience, especially food, drink, travel, concerts, and live entertainment, rather than a physical item. And 50% would like to receive an experience themselves. Video gaming gifts to digital. 64% of repon- respondents agree that gift cards such a Paysafe card are the most convenient way to trade a gamer. 44% of global consumers plan to travel during the holidays, including 16% in sorry, internationally, signaling a strong return to seasonal mobility and experience-driven celebration. A busy sports schedule is driving interest in online sports wager. Almost a quarter, 23% of consumers plan to place a bet with soccer and dominant sport worldwide. 68%, American football leading in the US 60%, and ice hockey topping Canadian preferences 53%. Here shopping habits shift. 47% of consumers plan to shop well ahead of the season, while 20% instead to shop during the upcoming Black Friday weekend. Payment preferences are evolving. When asked about the payment methods they have primarily used for festive holiday gift shopping, debit cards 46% and credit cards 37% are the top payment methods, but digital wallets 27% and cash or e-cash 27% have gained traction, as well as local payment methods LPMs with 10%. Consumers are also embracing omnichannel retail experiences with 34% splitting their purchases between online and in-store purchases, and while online marketplaces are popular, 19% niche channels like social media are increasing, being used by younger demographics like Gen Z 11%. There is solid support for small businesses and independent retailers, with 69% of global consumers planning to buy from small businesses. The next one, Paysafe valuation in focus after earnings miss, outlook cut, and new strategic moves. And let's see something in this article. Paysafe made headlines this week after reporting third quarter earnings that missed forecast and cutting its full year 2025 outlook. Their results have sparked analysis, caution, and retailed fresh questions for investors. See here, Paysafe share price has seen sharp swings lately, with one day drop of 5.16% and staggering 31% decline over the past week, reflecting the market's sole relation to its earnings miss and revive outlook. Despite headline wins like a new partnership with Endava and an expanded BayPack plan, sentiment has deteriorated and operational pressure persists. The 1 year total shareholders return stands at minus 60% and near term momentum remains firmly in reverse. Long term investors have experienced a slide, steep slide, understanding the challenges Paysafe faces in restoring confidence and suitable growth. Here is the most popular narrative: 48% undervalued. Paysafe last closing price sits well below the most voted narratives fair value estimate. with a step valuation gap. So here is a gap. Maybe they are talking about this gap momentum. Here is the last gap. You can see here is a gap. So in the long term, so you have good opportunity to invest a lower price. A lot of investors bought Paysafe at $20, at 15, at $16, but you have big chance, unique chance to buy at current price. So my last recommendation to include this stock in your portfolio before it's too late. So after growing, it's not need to buy it again. So if the price will return to $12 or $10, it will be too late to buy this point. So thanks for watching. If you find my video helpful, then like my video, share with your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel to support my channel. The Paysafe right now have fair to buy. A lot of people just afraid to buy. Analyze it rating just neutral, and 1 year price target is 49%, but it's funny in my opinion. In my opinion, it will be minimum 245% within 1 year, not 49%. So stay positive, just hold your positions if you invested in early stages, and if you have no money, just hold. But if you have free money, you can make your dollar cost average, reduce your dollar cost average to the best entry point, and then hold your position in the long term. Be patient, guys. In long term, you can earn big money, but if you are hoping for short term, so what I can say, just here for possible 245% in the short term of payoff. Okay, the only time will show us the truth about this stock, what will be happen. As the price has been crushed to the 45%, the market cap is also crushed 2 times. I remember that in previous time when I made video 3 weeks ago, the market cap was been 700 or 800 million, but while the price has been crushed, it's become $387 million. The employees, you can see 3,300 people, founded in 1996. So this means that this is old company and this company exists. Yeah, we have challenging with debt level, but I believe in long term period this company is reducing the debt level, that it's pretty good in my opinion. And we can see the long term period assets are higher than liabilities. So what else? Feel free to join to my Telegram channel. Here is the link in my bio, and you can watch my other videos about other stocks and crypto coins that I'm making. You can see 3 weeks ago I made video about Paysafe stock, and here is a video I'm going to when the price was been $12.69, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If see you in the next video, and bye bye.